Krea.ai as well as Runway ML both allow real-time image generation. Today we're going to figure out which one is a better choice. All right, looking at Krea now, okay? And if you've ever used Krea, it's mind-blowing as you're using it. It brings your ideas to life instantly with your text prompts. It gives you more than 1,000 style options, more than 20 models. It's got a native 4K output and industry-leading 3-second generation speed for 1024 pixels flux images. Now, you can create dynamic video content from simple text descriptions or animate existing footage. It's ideal for rapid prototyping and visual storytelling at scale. You can generate fully realized 3D models from text prompts, unlocking new dimensions for game development, AR, VR experiences, and even product visualization. Having a look over here, that it's a all-in-one platform. So this gives you image, video, and 3D generation, plus enhancements and editing, consolidated into one powerful suite. This means that there's no more juggling of multiple subscriptions, different apps. This one does this, that one does that. It's confusing, and it just, to keep everything in one place is awesome. It gives you unparalleled generation speeds paired with its native 4K output, as we mentioned earlier on, as well as it upscaling to 22K. I don't think you realize how massive that is. It's powered by its cutting-edge models like Krea.ai. LoRa fine-tuning also lets users train custom models on their own data. This enables proprietary asset generation and a truly unique creative voice. It's a minimalist UI and free sign-up, which gives you democratized professional AI creativity tools. Also welcomes both newcomers and seasoned experts alike. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, go and jump into this cutting edge tool and go and try it out. So let's have a look at Runway. So Runway actually transforms creative workflows with AI-powered video and image generation. So all you do is simply enter text prompts to create professional quality visual content in seconds. It's perfect for any creator that is seeking to produce engaging media without extensive technical skills. The next thing that I would have a look at is one or two of its deeper features. So the text input, you can enter detailed text prompts describing your desired video scene. This can be from a long detailed description to maybe just small pinpoints with less detail. It has advanced AI, which interprets your instructions and renders your video, and you receive 3 to 8 second video clips, which are perfect for social media if you are looking to make some trending content. You can also combine multiple clips to create longer content. And the nice thing is that actually you can set up parameters to keep your characters or your scenes the same so that it looks like it flows and it's not just random clips put together. There we go, folks. If you are looking for real-time image generation, some of these tools are better than the others. However, the takeaway is always to go and use a few of them and see which one works for you specifically. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.